Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Okay.
afternoon,
So,
ma'am.
children, we are going to finish this chapter LCM and HCF. And first, we have studied two methods. One method is how to find the highest common factor using writing all the factors. You can write all the factors of the two numbers. Then from the factors, you can write the common factors. And from the common factors, you can find which is the highest one, highest or largest number. Okay. So that is the first method we learned, highest common factor. And for LCM, we learned we have to write all the, not all the multiples, we have to write some multiples, like first 5 or 6 like that. Then find out all the multiples, common multiples. Then from the common multiples, you have to choose the smallest or the least number. That is the first method we learned. And second method we learned prime factorization method. So how we have to do? We have to write the numbers as the product of prime numbers. To find the prime factorization, we can use either factor tree or division method. Okay, that much is clear. Now for you to do like in higher classes and all, it is difficult to write all the factors and find the common from there and find the highest common factor. That's why we are doing prime factorization method. Now prime factorization method, we can do two numbers together. So how we can find the HCF in like this? We have to see which numbers is we can, by which number we can divide both the numbers, or three. If there are three numbers, you have to take the common factor that can be divisible to all the numbers. For then we have to till where we can divide with the common factor only, that is HCF. But LCM you will reduce till we will get 1, 1. So that is the method when we are doing 2 or 3 numbers together. So children, we are going to do now the last question number 22. Isha, can you read question number 22?
Find the HCF and LCM of 21, 27, and 36.
Okay. So children, we will practice that numbers, 3 numbers together, but I want all the children to find separately prime factorization of these 3 numbers. So 21, how we can write 21 as the product of prime numbers, Gautam? How we can write 21? 21 can be written as
3 into 7.
3 into 7. Okay, that is very easy. 3 into 7.
7.
If you, without doing factor tree or division method, we can write that 3 into 7. Understood? And 27, how we can write, Felix? 27. 27 we can write?
3 into 3 into 3.
Very good. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. See, all this we can do like if you are thinking 3 into 9 is 27. So this 9 we can divide again. So 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Okay. So that is very easy one. Brightlin, next one. Can you say that question number, that is 36. 36, how we can write 36?
36.
36 can be written as?
Ma'am, in workbook questions.
Yes, workbook question. But we are just think and tell me 36. 4 into 9. But this 4 I can again divide it into 2 into 2. 9 can be again divided into 3 into 3. So how we can write 36 as the prime product of prime numbers? 2 into
36.
36.
2 into.
Okay, I will. You can now.
I can.
1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, so I will write it there. Okay, so if you have doubt, what you will do? 36. How we can write 36 as 4 into 9? We can write, or you can take 2 into If you have any doubt, here again we can take 2 into 2. Finally, it should be prime numbers. 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Yes? Okay, children? Yes. So what we had to do now, question number 22.
Find the HCF and LCM.
This children, can you see this color brightly, or I can choose white color?
Now we can see.
Okay. So let me.
We can see.
You can see. Okay. Page number 70. Children, this is the last question. Page number 70. The last question, number 22. So we are writing 21 as 3 into 7. Even if without a factorization method like prime factor, we can write this because both 3 and 7, they are prime numbers. No need to factorize again. Now next one is 27. 27, children, how we can write?
3 into 3 into 3.
3
3
into
into 3
9,
into 3.
again 3 into 3. So 3,
So 3
we can
into
write
3 into 3.
3 into 3. Okay, children. So this is, you have to see whether is there any composite numbers are there. If any composite factors are there, you have to divide that again. So after that 27, 36.
2 into 2 into 3 into 3.
2 into 3.
2 into 2 into 3 into
3
3.
into 3.
3.
Okay. So here, if you want to write 4 into 9, but this 4 is again composite number, you have to write 2 into 2. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Now we have to find the LCM. We have to find the LCM of these 3 numbers. Okay. Yes, here now let me see. Is our off now. Rohit, can you please unmute? Rohit, else we have to find HCF and LCM. Yes, HCF means highest common factor. Okay, Rohit.
Yes, ma'am.
3 is common here, here. Okay, so we can take. So children, we can choose 3. Here also 3, here also 3. We can take this 3 or this 3, no problem. But okay, so what's the answer?
3.
3. Is there any other common numbers here? Here 7, but here there is no 7. Here we have 3, but here there is no 3. So we have only the common, highest common factor, that is only 3. Okay. So any children have doubt here now, HCF?
No.
How to find HCF? Children, if you have doubt in writing all the numbers together and finding the factorization, you can take one by one. You can use factorization like factor tree or division method. Now what you have to do? You have to write the number as the product of prime numbers. Now highest common means you have to take only common factors from here. We cannot take other. But LCM, that is least common.
Least common
Least
multiple.
common means you can take, if it is not common in all, you can take. So Isha, can you tell me how we can take LCM? Isha.
Yes, ma'am.
Now LCM, can you tell me LCM?
We have
We had to take the maximum number of these factors that is repeated. Yes?
yes,
Okay. Now tell me 2 is repeated maximum how many times?
2 times.
2 times. Okay. So here we have 2 times. I'll choose another color here. So LCM, HCF, they are
we can see.
different. You can find out. Okay. So here 2 times. That is 2 is repeated maximum 2 times. And here, what about 3?
3 is repeated 6 times.
Don't count everything together. In 1. Here 2 is repeated maximum 2 times. Here 3, here 1, here 1. So how many times 3 is more times repeated?
5.
3 times. Yes? Here 3 is repeated maximum how many times?
3
Yes,
times.
Isha? 3 times. So we have to take 3 into 3. Yes. Here we have only 2. Here we have 3. Here we have 1. Okay. So which is the maximum number?
3, 3.
3 is repeated
3
maximum.
times.
3 times.
Maximum 3 times.
Okay. Now what about, is there anything missing?
Ma'am, 7. Ma'am, 7.
7 is
7
repeated
here,
1 time.
1 time. So find, children, multiply and tell me the answer. 2 into 2, 3 into 3, again 3, then 7. Multiply and tell me the answer of LCM.
Ma'am, 756.
Wait, Gautam, wait. Let them multiply and tell me the answer. How many children finished? Can raise your hand. Yes, Anandesh, Harsha, Gautam.
Felix.
Devak. Okay. Children, please look at the board and see the numbers.
2.
2 into 2, 4. Again multiplied by 3 into 3 into 3 into 7.
2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, Felix, please tell me the answer. Okay, Felix. Felix, can you hear me?
756.
756. 756.
Yes, ma'am, correct.
Okay, Anandesh, which is your answer? Which answer you got? 756. Okay, what about Agnay?
756.
Very good. 756. What about Gautam?
Ma'am, 756.
756. Okay, very good. So children, here we have the answer is 756.
56.
Okay. So like this we can multiply. 3, all the children please check again how we can find out LCM and HCF. 21 and 27 and 36, we had to write the product of prime numbers. For that we can choose any method here, or factor tree or division method. Okay. Now for HCF you can take only the common number. Here 3 is repeated only 1 time. So that is only the common, highest common. But LCM means least common. So you have to take, if any number is repeated maximum times, you have to take, here 3 is repeated 3 times. So you can take, and 2 is repeated here 2 times, and one more 7 is there. Multiply and find out the answer. Is there anyone have doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, what Ayman was asking me that last period when we were going to wind up. Where Ayman? Yes, Ayman. What was your doubt? Unmute and speak. Okay.
Ma'am, when we do 3 numbers together, we will get the HCF and LCM. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when you wrote an answer, we will get the same answer, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So no doubt? Yes? There is no doubt? Whichever method we will do, we will get the same answers. Okay.
We get to
So children, here we have different methods. So I told you, first what we have done for finding the HCF, highest common factor, we will write all the factors. Then you have to write the common factors, then find out the highest from there. But if the number is too big, it is very difficult to find the factors. So in that case, we can do prime factorization method. This prime factorization, how you can find? You can use factor tree or division method. Okay. In HCF and LCM, first what you have to do, you have to write the numbers as the product of prime numbers. And for highest common factor HCF, we have to take only if the number is common in every number. Here only 3 is repeated. Here 7 is there, but here there is no 7. Here also not 7. Here 2 is there, but here 2 for 21 and 27, there is no 2. So we cannot. Highest common, H means it should be the highest in common in every number. And LCM least common means it is not necessary that. So what we had to do here, we had to take the numbers. Maximum number is repeated. Now children, if you want to see this like
Together.
together, can I show that now here?
Yes, ma'am.
21, 27 and 36.
Ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
I will show you that numbers together. So children, if you have, anybody have this doubt in doing together, no need to do that method, because in our textbook, the method is first you have to write all the factors. Then from the prime factorization method, you have to choose HCF and
LCM.
okay. So children, 1 minute.
Ma'am, you already shared the screen.
I'm going to share. So here I'm going to take, can you see the board children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We have to take 21, 27 and 36 together.
6.
Together. Okay.
Ma'am, can you use light color?
Okay.
And 3 will go.
Okay. Here children,
3.
told me 3. Yes? Can you see children?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, yes, 7 into 3 is 21. Yes, Anandesh, can you please help me to write the factors? Again, one more time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 7 into 3 is 21. Now 27 divided by 3?
9.
9. And here
12.
1, then 6 divided by 3 is 2. 12.
12.
So, okay. Okay, now tell me HCF.
Ma'am, HCF. Ma'am, 3.
3 only. Yes, very good. HCF is 3 only, because here 7. We cannot divide 7 by 3 again. 9 and 12 we can divide, but it should be for highest common factor, it should be divisible by all the numbers. But here only we can take 3. So HCF is only, we can say that is 3. Now to find the LCM, we have to do more. So we will do again. Okay, children.
Okay,
For
ma'am.
HCF, we will
Three.
still here only. Now here we can take again
3.
Ma'am, we should do 3.
3. But 7, we cannot do
And we
anything.
can't.
Just to write.
So we should, ma'am, we should just
7.
3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 3 is
4 into
4.
3 is equal to 12.
12. Again, I will reduce this to lowest terms. Again, I
2.
can divide by 2.
2.
7, I cannot do anything.
7 we
3 also, I
can't.
cannot do
3
anything.
also.
But here 2 into 2
2.
is 4.
2 into 2.
And again, we can reduce 2 again. 7.
2.
2.
3.
7 we
Divided by
can't.
2
3
is
can't. 1.
1.
Okay. Now again, we can take 3.
3.
7, 1, 1. Again, we can take 7.
7.
1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1. Now finished. Nothing is there now. Now you can start
3 into 2
3
into 2
into
into 3.
3 into 3
into
into 2
3
into 2 into 3 into 7.
into 7.
2 into 3 into
7.
7. Find out whether you will get 756 again.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. So if you do any method, only thing
Same
HCF
answer.
means high. If you don't have common factors in all the numbers, we cannot do more. But in LCM means it is least common. Least common means we can take if there is a number only in common in one number also we can take. So we will reduce till all the numbers, they are reduced to 1, 1, 1. Then we will write multiplying all the prime numbers, we will get the answer. Okay,
Can you
children.
share once more?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ayman.
Ma'am, can you share once more?
Which one?
Ma'am, the question.
Here.
Yes, ma'am.
So here 21, 27 and 36. Understood that HCF, Ayman? HCF? Yes. HCF is 3.
Yes, ma'am.
And what about LCM? You have to do
Same.
till all the numbers
All
are
the numbers
1, 1.
become
Children,
1, 1.
if you are in higher classes like this, if we can stop by this method, but for the first time you are doing, so you have to reduce till 1, 1, 1. Otherwise, you will get confusion. So when you multiply these again, check whether you are getting 756.
Ma'am, I got. Ma'am, I got.
Okay.
Oh my God.
So children, is there anyone have any doubt? I will give you now some questions.
No,
You
ma'am.
have to do some questions in the rough book now. You can use this method. Which method? Together method. That you have confusion, then means we can do, because the same questions we have done in different methods. That is writing all the factors, writing all the multiples. We have find out the common.
Tree method.
Yes.
Tree method can we do?
What?
Ma'am,
Which
can we
method?
do tree method? You will give 3 numbers.
2 and 3 numbers together and we can do that.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Tree method. Prime
Tree
factor.
method, any method.
No, can
Ma'am,
we
he's
do
asking
magic?
that can you do tree method?
Yes. Tree method. Only thing we have to find out prime factorization. Okay, prime to find the prime factors. We are doing that method. Okay. So children, I'm going to write these questions. All of you please write down all these questions in your rough book. Any method you can do. Question number 1. Find this method I am showing you because you have, if any doubt like this, find HCF and children, if you want to write 6 equal to prime factors, 9 is equal to prime factors, then find out the HCF and LCM. Six and 9. Find the HCF and LCM. Six and 9. Find the HCF and LCM. If you have finished, you can raise your hand. Manu, can you please unmute and tell me the answers? Manu?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me HCF?
3
HCF is 3. LCM?
and LCM also 3.
Huh?
Ma'am, 3 into 3. 3 into 3.
LCM. Okay, I think there is connection problem here. Yes,
Yes.
Adil. Adil. Anandesh, can you hear me? Anandesh,
Yes, ma'am.
what's the answer you got? HCF?
3.
3. What about LCM?
18.
18. Yes, Agnay, what is the LCM?
18.
Huh?
18.
18. HCF?
3.
3. Okay. So children, we will check again. We can write 6 as 2 into 3 and 9 as 3 into 3.
3 into 3.
So children, here 3 is common, 3 is common. So HCF is 3. But LCM, here 3 is repeated 2 times, 3 into 3. And 2 is repeated 1 time. So 3 into 3, 9 into 2, the answer is 18. So your answer is correct, 18. And here HCF is 3. Okay. So I want to know how many got HCF and LCM correct. Can you raise your hand? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I think there is some connection problem. All the videos are stuck.
Ma'am, your sound
Ma'am.
is
Okay. So how many got? Raise your hand, children. How many got?
Ma'am, Gautam.
3 and 18.
3 and 18. Okay. 3 and 18. Okay, children.
And I did not got full.
Full. Okay. So children, I'm going to show you how we can do these two numbers together. Okay. Here 3 and 9, we have 3, 2, 3. So 2 and 3, they are, we don't have any common factors. So HCF, we can choose 3 itself. Okay. To find the LCM, you have to do one more step. You can take 2, here 1, 3. So 1, 3 into 2, LCM. When you are in higher classes, maybe you can choose finish by here, because you know these all are prime numbers. So in higher classes, you will take 3 into 2 into 3. That's all. But you are beginning. So I'm making you do till all the numbers are becoming 3. No, 1, 1 here. So 3 into 2 into 3. So here also 3 into 2, 6 into 3 is 18. So this method also. Okay, children? Yes? Now, can you do one more question now? Can I give you another question?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, is there anyone didn't understand here HCF and LCM? Please, we are revising more questions now. And after this, we will finish this by
Excuse
2.
me, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Simon.
Ma'am, you showed, ma'am, you wrote till 1. Ma'am, and my mother told if we didn't write till 1, there is no problem.
No problem. That's what I told you now.
Yes, ma'am.
In higher classes and all, you can do like 3 into 2 into 3. But you will make mistakes, because if the numbers should be prime numbers. Otherwise, there will be problem. That's why I told you, make sure you are writing till 1, 1, 1. That's why.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Usually when, yes.
Ma'am, in LCM, I have doubt.
Yes. Ask me.
Ma'am, we should add the most continued digit.
We are not adding. We are multiplying the most number of times if it is repeated. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, look at the board again. Here we have 6, 2 into 3. Here 9, 3 into 3. So here we have only, highest common is only 3. But for LCM, which is the number more times repeated. So here 3 is repeated 2 times. So we are writing 2 times. Here there is no 2, but here 2 is repeated 1 time. So we are 2. So now we are multiplying. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 2s are 18.
Okay, ma'am. I thought
Okay.
that we should rewrite repeated numbers. That's why I did not write 2.
You didn't write 2. Okay. We had to take everything. That is why the name least common. It is
Okay,
not necessary. It is common in everything. But if it is common in everything, we are taking highest common factor. Okay. Highest common means we have to take only the common if it is in all the numbers. But least common means it is not necessary that it is repeated in all the numbers. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes. Can we do one more question, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I think some connection problem is
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
All the videos, it's like stuck. Only some.
Ma'am, our videos is not stuck.
But when I see, I cannot see all the children's video. It's only I can see few children's video. Okay, children, take out the next question.
It will become like that.
Question number 2, all of you. Question number 2, it's 8 and 12. 8 and 12. You can take two numbers together. That I will show you. You have to write 8 and 12 as prime factorization. Then you have to find the HCF and LCM. Eight and 12. Children, 8 and 12. Find out the HCF and LCM.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, wait. Let all the children complete.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, I will ask.
Ma'am, it's 8 and 12, right?
Okay, Ayman, can you tell me which is the HCF?
Ma'am, can you repeat once more?
Ma'am,
Can I see the board, Ayman?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the two questions? What are the questions?
18 to 12.
Huh?
18 to 12. Ma'am, I know.
8 and 12. Okay. Devak.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you, did you get HCF? HCF?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer?
4.
4. Okay. Gautam, what is LCM? Gautam? Yes, 24. Okay. LCM is 24, HCF is 4. Correct. All the children, please check whether you got correct answer. We are going to do now 8. We can write 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Now, 12 can be written as 2 into 6. 2 into 6. 6 can be written as again 2 into 3. So HCF means the highest common. Harsha, can you please help me to find the HCF?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, yesterday was my housewarming, so I today only changed my books to my new house.
Okay, who is speaking now?
I'm-
Okay.
Ma'am,
Harsha,
in the workbook exercise practice questions in the 10th question, how the answer is 4.
Let me see the question. That book is not with me now. Okay, that text have now the workbook. Okay, now can you say this answer now, Harsha? 1 minute. Okay, after this question we will discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Harsha, what is HCF? Look at the board. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. And 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Harsha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
What is HCF? Look at the board.
Ma'am, I can't see anything on the board.
Ma'am, board is clear, ma'am.
What is his answer?
Power filter.
Filter.
Failure.
Ma'am.
Power failure.
Power failure.
Is it power failure?
Yes. Who is the host? Who is the host? Manu is the host.
Yes.
Richard, on your video.
Maybe we can leave because it's 3:54.
I think the answer is 2.
Ma'am didn't give any message.
I think so. Ma'am will come now.
Ma'am is typing.
All are leaving.
Ma'am is typing.
You can leave the class.
Ma'am said you can leave the class.
Bye.
Sayonara.